Hey guys, so we're doing an unboxing of the Cheerson CX-10A. Now I got this from Banggood and it took about 20 days to get here, which is pretty slow for Banggood shipping, but it says 7 to 20 days, so it's still within their range, so let's open it up. Ooh, another box that's pretty beat up. You can see there it's bent, but it looks like the quadcopter's okay. Despite all this foam packaging, still got pretty beat up. Okay. I like this box a lot more than the 10A, or just the 10. As you can see, there's the golden version. Let's focus in on that. There's gold, silver, black, and white. Now, I would have got the black one because I think that looks the best, but all they had in stock at the time was the gold, so I just went with that. Let's see. Okay. Comes with the transmitter, which is the same as all the other little nano ones. However, the sticks actually feel a little bit stiffer. Not sure I'm going to like that, but okay. And it's black. Yep, removable stick pads. I like this black color on there, though. 2 AAA batteries in the back. Let's see. Let's see, we get the USB charging cable and the 4 spare props in there. Now the quad, I gotta undo these ties. I'll just cut them. And the other one. Okay, there we go. As this is the world's smallest right now, it's got a little bit of a different paint design on it, not just the color. Here's my original CX-10. You can see that middle part. This one has a circle, and this one's kind of like, I'm not sure what I'd call that, but it's a little bit different. And here's an Estes Proto X clone, so you can see it's just a little bit smaller. Let's see, the lights. Yep, it does have blue and red lights. However, these ones look a little bit dimmer than my other ones, but okay. Let's arrange everything. Okay, there you have it. That's everything that comes in the Cheerson CX-10A. Please let me know if you liked this video by giving me a thumbs up and commenting. And please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.